When you think of Sweden, you picture IKEA, meatballs, maybe ABBA, not a geopolitical bombshell for Canada. But in November 2025, that's exactly what happened. King Carl XV Gustaf and a Swedish delegation landed in Ottawa, not for coffee, but with a stunning proposal. They offered to build the JAS-39 Gripen E in Canada, create jobs and share technology. With the F-35 deal shaky, the Swedes timed their offer perfectly. Their message: don't just buy jets, become our partner, build them together, sell them worldwide. Sweden needed to ramp up production for Ukraine, and Canada could help. Together, they could create a North American hub and reshape Canada's future. Why was Canada even listening to Sweden? Because the F-35 dream was turning into a financial nightmare. The plan, 88 F-35s for $19 billion. By 2025, costs soared to $33.5 billion and kept climbing. Inflation, supply chain chaos, and political friction with the US made things worse. In 2024, Prime Minister Carney ordered a full review. Meanwhile, Canada's ancient CF-18s were running out of time. Soaring costs and looming deadlines opened the door for Sweden's bold alternative. Canada was stuck. Pay more for the F-35, or consider a radical new path. The Swedish offer wasn't just about jets, it was a full industrial strategy. Saab promised up to 10,000 high-tech Canadian jobs and a new Gripen production facility on Canadian soil. The centerpiece: full technology transfer, giving Canada the know-how to build, maintain and upgrade the Gripen. This would turn Canada from a customer into a global aerospace player. Saab pointed to its partnership with Bombardier as proof this could work. The government took notice. Industry Minister Melanie Joly called the proposal very interesting. Unlike the F-35's scattered benefits, the Swedish deal focused squarely on Canada. It offered a future as an export hub for the Americas, helping Sweden meet urgent production needs for Ukraine. For a country wrestling with the F-35's price tag, it was an incredibly tempting proposition. At the heart of the debate, two very different jets. The F-35A Lightning II is a stealthy fifth-generation heavyweight, nearly invisible to radar, packed with sensors, and designed for deep integration with the US and NATO. It's a flying supercomputer, ideal for patrolling the Arctic and deterring major powers. The Swedish Gripen E is a nimble, efficient middleweight, cheaper to buy, fly and maintain, designed for ruggedness and quick turnaround. It can operate from short, improvised runways and be rearmed in minutes. The F-35 means seamless alliance operations. The Gripen means independence and affordability. Choosing the F-35 locks Canada into the US-led system. The Gripen offers a chance to break away and build something new. The dilemma: superior stealth and integration, or cost-effective versatility and industrial benefits. The choice will define the Royal Canadian Air Force for decades. It's not just about which plane is better, it's about what kind of Air Force and country Canada wants to be. The stakes couldn't be higher. Canada faces a fork in the road. The F-35 path means alliance unity, top-tier tech, and sticking with the US and NATO. It's the safe, conventional choice, shared logistics, training and command with key allies. The Gripen path promises domestic prosperity, a factory, 10,000 jobs and technology transfer. It's about investing in Canada, building an aerospace industry and gaining industrial sovereignty. The F-35 offers maximum interoperability, the Gripen, a bold move toward independence. The US is frustrated by Canada's hesitation. Ditching the F-35 would cause friction in Washington and NATO. But the allure of jobs and exports is powerful, especially in a country where regional benefits drive decisions. The real question: is defense procurement just about military needs, or should it also build the nation's future? Canada must weigh these priorities, knowing the consequences will be profound. The debate has split Canada. Military leaders insist the F-35's stealth and sensors are essential for survival in modern warfare. They warn that a mixed fleet, some F-35s, some Gripens, would be a logistical nightmare, separate supply chains, maintenance and training. For them, only a full F-35 commitment makes sense. On the other side, politicians and industry leaders see the Gripen as a once-in-a-generation opportunity. They see the F-35's $33.5 billion price tag and imagine what else that money could buy. Saab's promise of 10,000 jobs and a revitalized manufacturing sector is hard to ignore. They argue the Gripen is good enough for Canada's needs, and the industrial benefits outweigh the F-35's high-end capabilities. The Carney government is caught between military priorities and economic opportunity. The choice will reveal Canada's vision for its future: guns, butter, or both. This isn't just about new planes, it's a defining moment for Canada. Sticking with the F-35 signals unwavering commitment to the US and NATO, no matter the cost. Choosing the Gripen, or a mixed fleet, would be a landmark shift, prioritizing economic interests and industrial sovereignty. It would align Canada with new partners and create a homegrown aerospace industry. The implications are enormous: jobs, exports, and a faster, cheaper replacement for aging jets. But it would mean less seamless integration with the US military, a cornerstone of Canadian defense for 70 years. The debate forces Canada to ask, is it an Atlantic nation or an independent Arctic power? Thanks to Sweden's bold offer, the fighter jet saga is now a high-stakes choice about Canada's future. The outcome will shape not just what jets Canada flies, but what kind of country it wants to be. The world is watching, and the sky's the limit.